When most people think of luxury cars, they immediately worry about expensive repairs, sky-high maintenance, and the nightmare of owning one past its warranty period. But here's the truth. Not all luxury cars are money pits. Some are actually reliable enough to enjoy well beyond their warranty, giving you world-class comfort, performance, and prestige without draining your wallet. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 most reliable luxury cars that are worth owning even after the warranty expires. Stick around because number 1 might surprise you. Number 5. Lexus LS. The first car on our list is the Lexus LS, Toyota's flagship sedan under its luxury division. Now, what makes the LS such a strong pick after the warranty is gone? First, reliability. Lexus has long been ranked as one of the most dependable luxury brands in the world, and the LS is no exception. Powered by tried-and-tested V6 and V8 engines, paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers refined performance with very few mechanical hiccups. The interior is where the LS really shines. Premium leather, handcrafted wood trim, and a whisper-quiet cabin make it one of the most comfortable long-distance cruisers on the market. And unlike some European rivals, the tech inside the LS tends to age gracefully without constant electronic gremlins. When it comes to ownership costs, parts are more affordable compared to German luxury sedans, and since it shares DNA with Toyota, you can expect easier serviceability. If you want a flagship luxury sedan that won't punish you after the warranty, the Lexus LS is a prime candidate. Number 4. Acura RLX. Next up is a car many people overlook, the Acura RLX. Acura, Honda's luxury arm, built the RLX with durability and longevity in mind. This sedan might not have the flash of a BMW 7 Series or a Mercedes S-Class, but what it lacks in glamour, it makes up for in bulletproof reliability. The RLX features a strong V6 engine with Honda's proven engineering. It's smooth, powerful, and built to run for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. Even its hybrid model has a reputation for solid dependability. Step inside and you'll find premium materials, spacious seating, and a host of luxury features like advanced driver assistance systems, top-notch sound systems, and ventilated leather seats. And here's the kicker: depreciation. The RLX doesn't hold its value as well as some German brands, which makes it an incredible bargain on the used market. You can pick one up for a fraction of the price of a comparable Mercedes or BMW, and because of its Honda roots, you'll spend far less on maintenance over time. Number 3. Lexus RX. For those who prefer luxury SUVs, the Lexus RX is one of the most reliable options you can own after warranty. This SUV has been a global bestseller for years, and it's easy to see why. Powered by reliable V6 and hybrid options, the RX blends comfort, efficiency, and long-term durability. It's not a performance monster, but that's exactly why it lasts so long. Lexus focused on proven engineering rather than pushing limits that could compromise dependability. Inside, you get the full luxury experience: soft leather seats, high-quality trim, intuitive tech, and plenty of space for passengers. It's one of the few SUVs in this class where owners regularly report smooth sailing, even well past 150,000 miles. Unlike some German SUVs that become a headache once the warranty is up, the RX remains affordable to maintain. Parts are widely available, and mechanics familiar with Toyota platforms can handle most of the work without issue. If you're after a dependable luxury SUV you can hold on to for years, the Lexus RX is a clear winner. Number 2. Genesis G80. At number 2, we have the Genesis G80, Hyundai's luxury sedan that has been winning over critics and owners alike. Genesis is still relatively new compared to Lexus or Mercedes, but they've built a reputation for creating luxury vehicles with outstanding reliability. The G80 offers a refined V6 engine, an available twin-turbo V6 for those who want more punch, and a smooth 8-speed transmission. The mechanicals are straightforward and reliable, and unlike some European cars, they don't require constant electronic babysitting. Inside, the G80 feels every bit as premium as its German rivals. Nappa leather, natural wood, and cutting-edge tech make the cabin a truly luxurious place. And because Genesis vehicles depreciate faster than some competitors, you can find incredible deals on the used market. Even after the warranty ends, the G80 remains a safe bet. The brand's focus on quality control and simplified engineering makes it one of the most dependable luxury sedans you can buy today. Number 1. Lexus GS. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lexus GS. Now discontinued, the GS remains one of the most reliable luxury sedans you can own after warranty, and that scarcity makes it even more appealing. Under the hood, the GS offered a naturally aspirated V6, and in some versions, a V8, both known for their durability. Unlike turbocharged European rivals, the GS engines are simple, robust, and can easily cross the 200,000-mile mark with routine maintenance. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's both sporty and luxurious. Lexus put extra effort into making the GS a driver's car, with sharp handling, excellent build quality, and long-lasting interior materials that don't wear out quickly. Because it's no longer in production, values have started to stabilize, making it an excellent long-term buy. The GS gives you the rare combination of sporty performance, luxury comfort, and Toyota-grade reliability, making it the #1 luxury car worth owning after warranty. So, there you have it, the 5 most reliable luxury cars worth owning after warranty. These vehicles prove that you don't need to fear buying a luxury car once the dealer coverage ends. With the right pick, you can enjoy the best of both worlds, premium comfort and dependability that goes the distance. Which one of these would you pick for your garage? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.